Hi, my name is Nathan Allen, and welcome to my sample workshop video. Today I'm going to talk you through and walk you through what it looks like to do a workshop in my classroom. Now, I don't have the actual videos of the students working, but I am going to show you what the students see before they get to work. I'm using my 8th grade history class, and I've gone down to my PBLs of the past, and in those I've gone to a PBL called Civil War Vlogs. This specific PBL is where my students had to learn about the Civil War, research it, and then come up with videos and vlogs as if they're a news reporter on their own time. So they're describing what's happening as if they are experiencing the Civil War themselves. Under here we have a couple different places. One is a Civil War vlog right here. This itself will show you what I created for the students. As we continued working, the students, I add pieces and bits here and there so the students can get an idea of what they're creating. As you can see, I have an entry video that
Hey guys, welcome to your
introduces myself and tells the students kind of what we're working on. And then as we progress, I'd add more information. Here's a newspaper article that I added to my vlog so that other people could see it. Each of these are linked to different videos. Here's the launch video for the material that we're working on in the PBL. Information on the Civil War itself. I've got other primary documents, maps, and then some more videos from me, different vlog entries for different parts. The students had this as something to go back to and explore, and it grew itself as the PBL continued. So what I'm going to show you are my in-class assignments. Now under the in-class assignments, these are assignments that the students would walk in, read over the material, and then begin their day. Some of them were research-based, some of them were activities where they had built something. We're going to start right here is this one called Gettysburg Address. Once the students clicked it, it gave them a link to Discovery Education and gave them instructions. So using Discovery Education, the students were going to research Gettysburg Address, each of them finding something different. Once they came up with videos, documents, different explanations, they were going to read through them, watch them, and then come together in groups and discuss the Gettysburg Address. Try to decide the meaning of it, what it was there for. If we go down, there's a couple other things. We have quizzes, tests, different handouts. So this handout right here is talking about a house divided. This goes back to Lincoln and discussions during the Civil War and the North versus the South. In this document, I gave to the students to read during class and explore. And as you notice, this document has different areas that have hyperlinks. So if they run into something they don't understand, they can click it, open it into a new tab, and then read about it. And as they continue on down the same document, we can click these different ones. Each of them takes them to a new document, sometimes pictures, sometimes files. Right here it says the Constitution ratified in 1787. They can click Constitution, and it'll take them to a link through the Library of Congress about the Constitution itself. And they can read up on each one of those things. After the students have explored this document together, then I would give them questions to work on in class and discuss the material together. This is just an example of one possible afternoon in a classroom with multiple assignments. So they can go on to haiku. Sometimes they walk in, I say, this is what we're working on today, go on to haiku and look under your in-class assignments. The students are able to find what they need to, and then when they go back home, if they have questions about it, they can go read it again or send emails about the material. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'd enjoy this sample workshop video.